Hi, this is Joseph Phillips. In this presentation, we'll look at the business analyst process of requirements analysis. So first, what is requirements analysis? It's really an examination of the stakeholder needs, and it's you creating the solution scope based on the identified problem or the opportunity. Now, stakeholder requirements, your focus is on what are the capabilities of the solution. And the solution requirements, what are the detailed requirements, the specifics that will allow that solution to come into being. And this allows you to do some things like cost-benefit analysis and also to look at a feasibility study based on the solution that has been identified. Now, there are 5 tasks in the process group of requirements analysis. You have to prioritize requirements, organize requirements, model requirements, define your assumptions and constraints, and then verify and validate the requirements. In order to prepare for one of the base activities, requirements prioritization, you'll need your business case and the business need, the actual requirements you've identified, the requirements management plan, and then your stakeholder list, roles, and responsibilities. Stakeholder requirements focus on the need of the stakeholders and the capabilities of the solution. They're more conceptual in nature. And the way to boil this down, it's how will the stakeholder interact with the solution. So if you're creating software, you'll often look at that solution from the stakeholder or the end user's point of view. Solution requirements, these are the most detailed requirements. It's the characteristics of the requirements. And this is where you get into the functional requirements, the specifics, and the non-functional requirements, the more esoteric details of the requirements you've identified. Transition requirements describe how you move from your current state to the desired future state. In some instances, this will include dual support or sunsetting those older solutions. You also have to consider the security and the transition of the data. How will you archive that older solution? And then what cutover issues or risk may you identify?